How to install the BOCI laser cutting head. Now we will demonstrate how to install the cutting head. Before installing the cutting head, perform inspection inside a dust-free cabinet. Check whether one side of the optical fiber is contaminated. Inspect the fiber surface using a microscope. Check for contamination or dust particles. After inspection, remove the fiber. Insert the fiber into the cutting head. Align the fiber with the bayonet connector. First, tighten the first locking ring on the bayonet. Turning clockwise means locking, after ensuring it is locked. Tighten the second locking ring. Turn clockwise to secure it. Fix the locking ring firmly. Use triple-layer adhesive tape. Seal the joint area. Ensure tight sealing at the connection point. To prevent dust from entering during routine assembly and disassembly, reduce the possibility of dust entry. Use masking tape to seal the junction. After replacing the lens, reseal immediately with masking tape. Seal with tape completed. Install the back plate before the cutting head. Fasten the back plate screws. Now mount the cutting head onto the back plate. Align the 4 screws on the cutting head with the holes on the back plate. Install the screws. Tighten the screws securely. The cutting head is now mounted on the back plate. Initial installation of the cutting head is completed. Next, connect the water pipes as well as air tubes and electrical cables. Start by connecting the water lines. There are 2 water pipes. The blue pipe is the supply line. The orange pipe is the return line. Water flows through the blue pipe to the laser cutting head. After cooling the fiber, it returns through the orange pipe to the chiller. Start connecting the inlet pipe. First, add a straight connector to the blue pipe. Reduce the connector size slightly. Then add a T connector. Split the inlet line into 2. Connect one line to fiber cooling and the other to the cutting head. Install the water lines. The inlet line installation is complete. It can now cool both the fiber and the cutting head simultaneously. Now connect the return line. Add an extension pipe to the single connector. Use a T connector to split it into 2 lines. Connect separately to the fiber and laser cutting head. The entire water piping system is now connected. Run water through the system for inspection. Check for any water leakage. If no leakage occurs, connect the cables. Remove the masking tape. There is a positioning hole on the connector. Insert the bayonet and tighten the nut. Tighten the nut securely. Begin connecting the air line. After removing the tape, remove the cap nut. Pass the air tube through the nut. Insert it into the connector. Push it fully in to prevent air leakage. Then screw the nut back on. Tighten the screws using a wrench. We are using the 683 model, cutting head equipped with the intelligent Eagle Eye vision system. Therefore, we need to add an air tube. Activate the Eagle Eye system, connect the air tube. All air and water pipes are connected. After completing the pipe connections, ensure to run water first to check for leaks, then switch on the power. This type of quick connect fitting can be replaced with screw-type quick fittings if needed.